Hi everyone, my name is Arvind Upadhyay and I am the author of the more than 100 books talking about the level of thinking. Now, our school and colleges produce workers, not the thinkers, and this is not designed by the any specific person. This is designed by the uh, people who are the behind the schools and colleges. I mean, entrepreneur and people who run these companies. They don't want to thinkers, because if you become a thinker, they're just going to lose their field and you're going to be competitor for them. So this is why they don't trying to get a thinker, they're trying to get a worker. So you continuously developing your mindset, your thinking on basis of a worker, not a thinker. So it's I'm talking about level of thinking. First is how to think. So you have to focus on how to think. You have to focus on your changing your mindset, your self belief. That's how you're going to think about that. Second is focus. Even if you have lots of knowledge, you don't have focus, you cannot do anything. Most of the people in this world struggle, they have more knowledge. So knowledge is not the things. You have to focus, you have to copy the things, and you have to go behind that. This third point is that clarity. If you don't have a clarity, I just saying that you cannot succeed. I mean, whenever I go for coaching and one-to-one coaching, I ask people, I can make you anything. I mean, I just can help you to whatever you want, but you have to clarity like what you want. Most of them don't know what they want. You have to focus on the clarity.